What's up guys, Jake here from Tech Center, and today I'm going to show you how to install iOS 12 Beta 1 on your iPhone without a developer account. The first step is to go over to Safari, and you're going to go to this website, which will be down in the description. That's a hard word to say. After that, you're going to scroll down until you find iOS beta profile for iOS 12 and click on download. Let me try that again. And then you're going to click on allow. Click on iPhone. I will leave a link to my Apple Watch video in the description. You're going to click on install. Type in your password. Click on install again. Click on restart. And just let your phone restart. Once it is finished restarting, you're going to want to type in your password, or I'll swipe to unlock. And then after that, you're going to click on settings. Then you will want to scroll down to general and tap on software update. And there it is, iOS 12 Developer Beta. Then you're going to click on download and install. Then you can just type in your password again. And then it will say update requested, and it should start downloading. Once that is all set, you can click on install now. It'll start verifying the update, and then it will start updating. Once it is all set updating, it will say swipe up to finish setting up iOS, or press home if you have another iPhone. And then you can just type in your password and you will be all good to go. Then you can click on continue. And then after that, it'll bring up this menu, and you don't have to read through it. You can just click on agree, and then it will say this, and you can swipe up or press home to get started. So there are a couple new apps. So there is this measure app, so we can click on that, and it uses the AR capabilities, so you can measure stuff. As you can see, I brought out my little cube to charge my iPhone. So you can tap to add a point anywhere, and then drag wherever, and then add another point. And there it says that's a 1/2 inch. So if we want to see how long it is, you can put a point there, and then drag your phone and add another point there. And it says that is 1 inch. To take a photo, you can just press on a little white button, and there it is. So it's like a regular screenshot, so you can say I'll draw something. And yeah, that's pretty much the measure app. There were also some changes in the settings, so if we jump into the settings apps, you can see there's a new screen time thing. So you can see how much time you spend on your phone, and if you want to limit yourself. You can also see, if we go into the wallpapers, there's a new dynamic wallpaper, or stills wallpaper. You can use it in perspective, or you can have it still. I'll set that as my lock screen. And we can go back and now check out the dynamic wallpapers. This is one with the different colors. So they turn on and off. But I'm not going to use that one. And that's pretty much all we have for settings. We do have a brand new customized stocks app that we can use. As you can see, all new design, market news. So you can swipe up to look at news, and here are all the stocks. And then while you're looking at the news, you can see at the top, it scrolls. And then we can head over into extras and click on voice memos. And this is redesigned also. Please keep in mind that it will be very buggy because this is the first beta, the developer beta. This will also work on iPad too, just follow the same steps. And I will leave a device compatibility list down in the description. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Peace.